Hello guys, I just got this parcel today. I believe it's the cheap mobile phone that I got from Aliexpress. It's a Leagoo M5. I got this around 2.5 weeks ago and arrived today on 26th of October. I'm just going to do a bit of unboxing and see what it's looked like, and obviously, you know, what stuff is in the box. Again, this is only £52.99 in sterling. Okay, so that is around 60-70 euros or 60-70 US dollars, which I believe is quite good. So I'm just going to do a bit of unboxing and see how the phone is. As you can see, that the item is very well packaged. It does comes with this, you know, typical polythene plastic bag. The box itself is wrapped with a bubble wrap to obviously absorb the shock during transportation. So far so good. Okay, so the box itself, you know, it's a bit bashed, but hopefully it's okay. As you can see, the box, there's a picture of the phone, powered by MediaTek. None of this, you know, Snapdragon 615 or Snapdragon 625. You know, this is, again, I'm just going to mention, just to set your expectation here, it's just a cheap Android phone that I'm going to use when I'm traveling across Europe. So opening up the box, get greeted with the phone itself. Okay, so first impression, it's quite heavy, and the phone itself is very sleek and it's easy to hold. It's 5-inch screen, 720p. Okay, so removable battery, I believe. Just gonna check. Yeah, so removable battery. Okay, so there's a bit of sellotape here, as you can see, to hold the battery down so you don't lose any charge. So on the spec, the battery itself is around 2300 milliamp, which is okay for, you know, 5-inch 720p phone, dual SIM. So obviously the first SIM 1 is gonna be my primary SIM, which is a UK SIM, my primary number, and the second SIM, obviously you can use it for, you know, when you're traveling in a country, you just go to you know, a phone shop, get a SIM there, cheap internet, and micro SD card goes here. Camera itself, I believe it's a 8 megapixel. So again, I'm not expecting, you know, a Galaxy Note S7 or Galaxy S5 quality. Okay, so, or Honor 7, the phone that I'm using just now to record the video. Okay, so, but again, it's hopefully it will be good enough to take a picture to, you know, for Facebook, Instagram, and so on. Okay, well, and going back to the rest of the box, you get also obviously the charger, the Oh, you also get covering case as well. Wow, that's good. So cheap silicone case, which I believe is gonna be good enough, and headphones which you're gonna never use because it's crap, and obviously the charger and the micro USB to USB cable. Okay, so which I will probably never use because I usually use a 2 amp charger anyway. But it's good that they obviously the seller included the European charger, even though I live in the UK, and also the seller also included the silicone case. Okay, so I will put the seller link below. If you're interested, grab one from the seller. Again, it only cost me $52.99 in UK sterling, so I'm not expecting a miracle, and I'm not expecting a quality as good as Galaxy S7 or even a Xiaomi quality, I would say. But again, it's a cheap phone and the price is good, very good value for money. That's the most important. Okay, well, I will make another video to see how I get on with this phone in the next few months, and I will come back to you and check and give you what is my opinion about the phone itself. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully this video helps if you're thinking of buying this phone. Have a good day. Bye bye.